Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to highlight specific slice in pie chart in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have data, categories and sales amount. So first I am going to create here the pie chart. Simply select the data, then go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the pie charts option and select the first 2D pies. Select the first one, and here you can see the pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the pie charts. So in this pie, you can see there are 5 slices available. Okay, as per the sales amount and category. Okay, so I just keep cursor on the slice and you see the name series sales point smartphone values 45,000, 38% the slice mentioned. Okay, the smartphone value 45,000 greater than the other amount, therefore is the slice size also is greater than other slice also showing. Okay, so if you want to highlight the size slice, simply double click on it. Okay, simply double click on the one slice. You can see the selection of the slice showing only the one slice here selected. Okay, you can check here the corner point, only one slice. Okay, selected. And here the format data point is open, right hand side. To highlight, you just click on the fill and line option. In fill, you can select here the different color in color option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here the different color. So I select here yellow. If you want to add the gradient fill, just click on the gradient option. Then you can see here the different gradients color you can add in your gradients. Suppose I select here the colors different. You can see you can set here and select here the different color. Okay, see the changes over here. Okay, this is a way you can add the gradient also. Okay, if you want to add the pattern fill, you can select the pattern fill option and you can select here the different pattern field. Okay, style also you can see the changes over here in the pattern field. Okay, and if you want to fill the solid fill, and you can select the color as I show. Okay, picture and texture fill also you can select picture and picture or texture fill. Just click on the texture option, click on this drop down arrow. You can see different type of texture is available. If you want to select it, you can select it and you can see the changes over here. Okay, and this is a way you can apply this option to highlight your one slice. Okay, and there is click on this arrow and the second option is a border. You can apply the different border here also. Okay, so border color also you can change. So I select here the yellow color. See the yellow border is showing on the one slice only. Okay, okay, border width also you can increase width. Just click on the up arrow and see the border width also added. Increase, you can see yellow colors with increase. Okay, you can change the border style, so dash type border, add here dash type, see the changes over here. Okay, so these are the so many options you can use for, okay, highlight the specific slice in pie chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.